Hello everybody, how are you today? JMO here, and today, well, remember last time I said that I'm gonna open this sharpening pencil? Well, small man tree. Shoot. Trash can ready. Everything's ready. So, any sharpening pencil. This is heavy. Oh my god. It's already getting out. Oh my, holy Jesus Christ. I don't want to run nothing out. You just want to see that's all. Oh my god. Look you guys. This is what inside a sharpening pencil is. There's some mortars. There's some wires that couldn't see that much. But holy crappy patty. That's a lot of things too for a sharpening pencil. But wow. I could just electrocute myself right now if I wanted to. But I don't want to die. But holy crap. I could just take this out right now, but I don't want to do nothing because I don't want to mess this up. Wow. So that's inside. I'm in this baby. I want to take everything out so I can see what's inside of it. No duh. Another two. Life, my favorite. See you later, you guys, and see you in the third part of this video. Bye bye. James out.